Very good afternoon, my dear students. Yesterday we have discussed about this how the dog found himself a master. Okay, I explained before speaking to this lesson. Before explaining the picture of a particular lesson, I have given you background that how a dog has friendship with wolf and a lion and some other animals in the forest, and later it came to human, means it came to this society village side, with all of us human being. And before coming to the human beings, how it was in a forest with a few of the strong animals than the dog. Okay, and we have stopped yesterday that it met wolf and it became servant of wolf, and while going at forest, wolf and dog both those found the bear, means bear, karadi. Okay, these two met the not met, they have found the uh, bear, and that's why after looking at that animal bear, these two started discussing that they are getting scared of that bear, and today we are discussing the continued part of that dialogues and all in today's class. Okay, where we have stopped yesterday, they walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off path and into the bushes, and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. "What come you, master?" he asked. "What has frightened you so? Can't you see? There's bear out of there, and he might eat up both of us, you and me." Right? This is what the dialogue of wolf. It told to dog that you can't see the wolf. You can't see the bear. It might eat both of us. So I hide myself from the wolf and don't go in front of him. It will find both of us and it will eat us. So there is a word sniffed, nose and sniffed, means controlling its breath very slowly and without sounding, just very quiet, like this. How rabbit hides itself somewhere, like that, just hiding from someone without doing any noise. In that manner, wolf hided itself. And we are moving to the fifth paragraph, right? Seeing that the bear was stronger than wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. See, yesterday only I told, no. Always dog has such a mindset that if it found the wolf and it feel that wolf is stronger than other animal, it will be servant of wolf. Now, when wolf, by seeing bear, it got scared, right? And by getting scared, dog decided that wolf is no stronger than bear. It is very weak animal. So it will be a waste if I became the servant of this wolf. That's why I don't want to stay with him. I don't want to his servant no longer. Like this, it decided, and that's why it started to thinking of bear. Means it want to be servant of bear. That's why already it's decided. Seeing that bear was stronger than the wolf, and the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. It asked to bear, "Will you be my master?" And the bear agreed to this readily and said, means bear is in a very surprise and in a very pride manner that if someone want to become my servant, oh, I am very stronger than other animals. That's why he is following me, and it started feeling pride itself that, and it's readily said. Readily means in a very eagerness, in hurry. Yeah, you can become my servant. In that manner, bear replied to dog. Let us go and find a herd of cows. I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill. See, yesterday only I told that if dog will be a servant of some animals, and first the strongest animals of the forest will hunt something, a dog, a cow, zebra, and a deer and all. And after having that strong animal its food, whichever the part or whichever the mass of meat will left for the dog, it will come and have it. Means remaining food after having the wolf or a lion or a bear or something, tiger. Those will leave some amount of food, wasted bones, some kind of meat and all, which is a remaining part, that will be eaten by the dog always. It never thinking of hunting something and to eat on its own. It left the thinking of hunting something, because basically it is very weak. That's why it want to be follower of something and eating the some part of or some portion of mass and meat and blood and we can bones and all, whichever left after the tiger or what we can bear or lion, whichever the left part from those strong animals. And bear said to the dog, let us go and find a herd of cows, means a kind of a mass group of cows, and I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill. See, here they mentioned fill. Fill means a kind of hungry. We wanted to fulfill our desire of eating. We can hunt cow and we can both eat our fill. And in 6th paragraph, they walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were mooing loudly and running in a panic in all directions. When this bear went to what we can call herd of cows, suddenly by smelling like this and by hearing the sound of this bear and dog, they dispatched from the particular place. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಚಲ್ಲಾಪಿಲ್ಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು in all directions. The cows were moving loudly, means how the cow will move means sounding like amba, some particular animals have cat will move like a meow, and cow will do noise. It has its own sound, a kind of calling someone. The cows were moving loudly and running in a panic in all directions. They got scared and they got confused in hurry. They distributed into one or two like this from a particular place. 7th paragraph. The bear looked out from behind a tree, and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. It was just hiding behind a tree in order to catch some cow. And then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. And when the cows are going into the forest or in some other places, it ran behind the cows in the forest. Now, why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. It has the lion, who rules the forest in these parts. See, In the beginning, dog found wolf and it wanted to be servant of wolf, and both were walking. Later, wolf found the bear. Means it has seen the bear arriving into the path, and just wolf hided itself from the view of bear. And later, when dog came to know that wolf is not stronger than bear, it decided to leave the wolf and it want to be a servant of bear. Then when it has a speak or it has conversation with bear, it got satisfied that, oh, I can be a servant of bear and he will provide me food. Means he will hunt some animals and he will leave some food to me, and after he is eating, means after bear eating, I can eat some food which was left by him. And when they both decided to, means not both decided to have the food, but only bear can hunt the cow and dog have no capacity because it is very weaker and weaker and it has no ability to hunt. That's why it decided to be a slave of someone. Next, when the bear went to the crowd and the mass of the cows, and obviously animals are very those are very intelligent, because by the sense of the animals they can recognize something hunter, something animal, strongest animal, something human beings. If something coming to hunt us or something natural disaster is going nearby us, means earthquake, tsunami, like this going nearby us, they can recognize with their sense, by their hearing sense and all. And when this bear is planned or in hurry to jump on a cows, it is supposed to attack on a cows. On that time they got sensed and they felt that somebody will hunt us, means some animals or some human beings. By that sense they dispatched, and when they dispatched or when they run away from the particular place, they moves into the cow move into the forest, move into the forest, and this bear will be what we can call getting very fear in order to enter into the forest. Why it getting fear? Because there is a king, right? Who is the king of the forest? Lion is the king. Without the permission of lion, no one can't come into his area. For the particular area, bear has its own area. For the particular of the forest, lion is area. It's a lion's area. So what the bear decided is, if I entered into the lion's area, means the king's area, he won't leave me. He will eat me. He will fight with me and he will defeat me and I will die. I don't want to get into, means I don't want to go to the forest where the cows run away from this place into the forest. So that's why if I went there, lion will kill me, I will die. And it got that like fear. Now why did I have to come here? It said. Which one? Bear. Said he to the dog. Bear said to the dog, it is lion who rules the forest in these parts. That part which we were living, that part was not an area of lion, just we are walking there and we will hunt there. We were hunt there, and this part, next part, I am thinking to go inside. That forest is lion, he is a king. Why I have to go there? If I went there, definitely he will kill me. I don't want to go there. I am scared of lion. Who said this? bear said to dog, "The lion, who is he?" Dog replied, "Don't you know?" This was said by bear. First dog asked, "The lion, who is he?" Means lion ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತದು ಯಾರು, like this. "Don't you know? He is the strongest beast on the earth." See, strongest beast means a kind of a body, a stronger body, a stronger animal, like this. Don't you know? He is the strongest beast on the earth. "Well then, I will say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth." See, look at the dog, how intelligent it is and how it is thinking. And first it would be servant of a wolf. Later it wanted to serve a bear, and then it came to know that, means he came to know that even bear also weakest than the lion, and it also have fear. So who will fear in this earth? I don't want to live with them, because those who are stronger in this earth, I want to live with them. I want to be a servant of them. Either it may be the lion, it may be the human, it may be the tiger, whoever it may be, but my master should not fear to any animals, any humans. I want such a master, means I want such a animal to be my master. If my master, which I am present right now, I am servant of animal, it should not fear to anything, any animals. If it got scared, then I will leave the serving, I will leave my serving to that animal, and I will find another one which is more stronger than this animal, or more stronger in the strongest animal in the earth. Okay. Well then, I will say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his servant, master, and it left the serving. It left service to the bear, and directly it went to lion and asked, as like in previous story, means in yesterday class, day before yesterday we discussed, no, first it went to wolf and asked, "Will you be my master?" And later it went to bear, "Will you be my master? I will be your servant." Then now it left two animals. Finally it went to lion. It thought that lion is king, lion is the strongest animal in the earth, and finally it decided to leave the bear and told, "Okay, see you then, bye. I will go to lion and I will be servant of the lion." And it met lion and asked, and off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. The lion agreed to it. See, again lion agreed to it. So till today we discussed three. One is about wolf and its servant, dog as its servant, and next day bear, its servant, bear a master, and dog will be its servant. And now it's going to be a servant of lion. And lion also said, "Yes, okay, but let me see what will happen after becoming servant of a lion." Either dog want to live with lion, or dog want to live, LEAVE, dog want to leave the service with the lion or not. We will discuss in a next class, and please try to read what we have discussed in day before yesterday and yesterday and today. Read and underline the difficult words which you feel very difficult, and if something you felt difficult, you can call me and you can ask. Okay, dear student, today we stop here, and rest of the things we will discuss in a next class, and do your exam well. Bye.